What up, guys? This is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome, maybe even welcome back to the Wheelhouse. I want to do a quick technicals, little quick update on Bitcoin, AMC, and NEO. We got a lot of bullish momentum. I hope you charged your batteries for the money printer because we're about to hit a triple parlay, okay? So let's just jump into the charts and let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Now, the other day, if you watched my Bitcoin video, I told you exactly where we were going to go. We hit that spot. We're on the way to the next spot. And then we're going to get to that target in that $86,000 range. So right now, everything is super bullish. Now, our RSI is hot. I'm surprised it hasn't come down. Let's see. It's actually, it is hot to trot, baby. So 96.87 is the highest we ever had. We're currently at 85.22. But we actually could go higher, which is crazy. But it's moving. It is on the move. Bitcoin is on the move. Our stochastic is braiding. I told you that happens sometimes when things are crazy bullish. They'll just twist and ride up at the top. Our vortex is up and even going up higher. Our RSI is hot, like sizzle hot, like better put the oven mitt on, kind of hot. But man, look at this above the 9, just boom, making these waves. Now, 61,801. Congratulations, baby. Here we go. We're printing money. I'm super pumped. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin a little closer here. There she is. All right. Oh, I was day trading. Sorry, I was on the minute there. Let me back that up to the day. Okay. All right. So we don't have to get too in depth. You guys can go back and watch my last Bitcoin video to watch, everything and learn the entire story of all the technicals. You guys should watch that Ethereum video I put out this morning. Big price target backed up with sick technicals. I walk you through the entire story that I was able to read in the charts with a big price prediction at the end. I'll put it up here. Gotta watch that video. Gotta watch the Ethereum video, guys, okay? Now, check this out. Let's just back up to here. We had bullish momentum. This is where it started. This is where I pushed heavy. I put a lot of money in this. We had our indecision. We had the buyers pushed up, the sellers pushed down. We ended up in the middle. That's a fight. That's a battleground. That lets me know that we're at a bottom and we're about to turn. Okay, we're about to have a trend reversal. Lo and behold, what happens? We get volume. Okay, we cross. Our RSI starts heading up, our vortex heads up, our stochastic heads up. We have volume, we have indecision. It's go time, baby. It is go time. Okay, so we take the trade, we buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and we run game. Boom, 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 big. Now, I don't like this wick that comes down, but I love that volume, and we're still in the good areas over here. Everything's okay. A little interesting on the volume, but whatever. We run. There's that little one. You see it? Push up, push down, but it was red. Okay, that lets you know there's going to be a little pattern coming down. This wasn't a bad one. It's considered a bull flag, which is a continuation pattern. So you have an impulse up and you have a bull flag down, and usually the length of this impulse will be the length of the next impulse. Okay, but you started getting some strange. You had a weird day in there. You started getting, look at this one pushed all the way up and pushed down. I mean, these are just ways to know that thing is probably coming to a top, but it didn't. It still fought, okay, and it had another little bull flag. Then a shorter impulse structure. Bitcoin just can't be held down, basically. I'm just going to go quick. It just can't be held down. Doesn't matter what China says. It just doesn't matter. Bitcoin does what it wants, and it rules all, okay? So no problem. We had a little consolidation here. We kind of rose up to the occasion, got a nice momentum, and then boom, it shifted down. I trade in and out of all this stuff. So, if you guys need help with that, let me know, and I'll tell you exactly when to get in and get out. Again, now this one was dangerous because if you weren't really good, you could have gotten some trouble. But that little doji right there, where was it? Right here, this little one right here, it tells you. You get a warning shot right here, and then this comes up and it pushes down. There's a second warning shot. You should be out already before this one, but it's okay if you got out here. And then boom, it comes down, and look what we get. Up, down, in the middle with volume, and we cross over again, and we push heavy into the trade again right there. All right, big momentum above the 9, riding on the 5. You're setting your stops. You're moving your stops up on this, because when you're catching that run, what you want to do is you just want to keep moving that stop up and up and up and up and up, okay? That way, if it does come down, something happens when you're sleeping or you're driving or you're whatever you're doing, it's okay because you're getting stopped in the profit and you can always rebuy, so don't trip, okay? A lot of bullish behavior right here. A lot of bullish behavior going on in this chart. So we had a major, well, we had a pattern breakout of this massive pattern right here. That was huge, okay? That was big. That was the first time that happened in many, many, many months. So we had that, which is massive. Then we had the breakout of the previous secondary high within the macro. So this is the macro. This is the macro, oops, sorry. This is the macro right here. Coming up, oh, and look, it goes right with it. So that's the macro right there. We don't need that line. We're just going to move quick, okay? And then this is the secondary. So if you wanted Bitcoin and you're waiting, you would have waited till you came down to here. You would have caught this, and now you're in this macro. And normally it would come down and do like this and go up, but this thing is a beast, right? Bitcoin is a beast. So it comes and makes support. It breaks out of a previous swing high, which indicates a trend reversal, comes out of the pattern, which is massive, and then she just keeps going right through another break. Now, in the last video, I said, look, we're going to be coming up to this number right here, 59,547.53, and we went past it. And I said, once we get past that, our next resistance is going to be 61,692. Where are we at? 61,696. Boom. Who loves you, baby? All right, so now where are we going? Because we're not stopping, right? We are not stopping. We're going to break through this. We got to break through this with a green body candle close. Today would be perfect. We're not always in a perfect world, but this thing's got momentum, and when things have momentum, they tend to just, what is it, like Newton's law? It just keeps rolling, right, with the momentum. So, look, we break past the 61,700 area, and we're on our way back to all-time highs of 64,650 bucks relatively, okay? But I was able to look at, through this cup and handle situation, a measured move, which actually brought us up to $86,384.45. Let's go. Let's print that money. Let's get it tucked in, move your stops up, stay protected, protect that capital, and run that money. Okay, crypto's where it's at right now. All right, so real quick, I didn't do this last time, but I am just curious. Let's go ahead and run a fib circle on here. Hold on. I just want to take a look at this like I did in the Ethereum video, because that's how we kind of knew where we were really going to be going. And give me 1 second. I'm just want to take a look at it myself. Okay, so, okay. All right, so see this purple one? See this purple one? Okay, we are moving up. We are moving up. We're like right here, okay? This is going. Same thing, guys. We're going further, okay? Which means it comes up to this line, which means it's going up to this line. Okay, so it is going to touch, I'm excited, sorry, I love crypto. It is going to test all-time highs, okay? And then it looks to me like it's actually going to come back down once it touches highs. So keep your stops really tight at that area, because there is probably going to be some selling from what it looks like on the fibs, okay? But once that happens, and you come back down in this area over here, you rally, baby, you rally. Look at this. So you're gonna rally, okay? You actually, let's see if we can figure this out for ourselves here. We just got in here, and we're more like in here. So let me get a calculator here. Okay, that's an easy number. We're just gonna round, we'll go fast. We're looking at like 27,000 is where we were, and we took a move all the way to minus 60. Let's just call it 65,000. We'll keep it, okay, that's a $38,000 move, guys. On top, you get to add it on top of where we're at now. So we're looking at 61,802. I am moving my target to $99,802. Go, baby. Go, Bitcoin. Charge up the batteries. Let's get the money printer going. Boom. Who loves you? Wheelhouse loves you. Let's move on to NIO. Is anybody in NIO that you like electric vehicles? I do. I got some NIO, and I've been putting out videos saying, look, guys, we're not through all this mess, okay? But look, we have made some progress. We made it through the 9. Last video, I told you we bounced off the 20. We touched the 9. We came through the 20, through the 30, touching the 50. I'm not saying it's resistance yet, but we're making moves. Our RSI is coming up. Our vortex is crossed. Our stochastic is coming up. Everything is looking solid. Let's go back and take a peek at NIO. NIO's having a good day. I saw this earlier. Now, I told you guys, I'm not going to go through everything. You guys can go back and look at my old videos, and you can see as this chart develops, okay? So this area right here was an important box for NIO, okay? Once it broke through this channel, it created this consolidated pattern in this box right here. Now, I said I would not be looking to buy NIO unless it came down to this, lower area, which still having problems finding, there it is, of $30.45. I would not be buying unless it came down there, or it started creating blue momentum candles, which it did. It had a big one with volume, everything crossed over, looked great. The next one, lo and behold, it started in the box, okay, that I had drawn previously, and it wicked all the way to the top of the base, got pushed down, smaller momentum candle also to the top of the base. We were in a fight. Okay, doji, that could have meant we were coming down, but no. NIO kind of pushed up, and look, volume is increasing with the pattern, with the price action. This is big. Okay, we broke out with the green body candle close above the box of confluence. This is big. Our RSI is outperforming the SPY. Okay, our vortex is looking good. Our stochastic's looking good. We're above everything. We made it out of the pattern, through the box of confluence, through this resistance, through the box. With the green body candle close, we're coming up through the ribbons. We wicked almost to the 200. This is big, guys. This is big. This is what we call a trend reversal. Anybody been through all this? All this nonsense right here? Well, boom, that's the beginning of our upswing. And it almost looks like we have a mini reverse head and shoulder pattern, which is ultra bullish. So, first target price, 38.72. Where are we at right now? We're at 37.56. First target price is 38.77. Second target price, 39.69. I do believe we're going there. I also believe that we are going to hit this true trend reversal from the previous swing, which is a very important number, guys. This number is very important, $41.72. We get through there, green lights to the beach, baby, okay? By then, we're going to have blue cheese on the ribeye, too, okay? We're going to have these blue ribbons that we all like, right? Now, I want to look at something. Real quick here. Okay. So. Okay, yeah, so we're not going to catch like crazy resistance on the swing. I think we're going to break through that pretty good, actually. Oh, how do I turn that off right there? Okay, I think we're actually, once we get to this, and we have, this is going to indicate to Wall Street and everybody else that we do have a true trend reversal on NIO, and we are going back all the way to all-time highs. We might as well just color code some of these because I'm feeling pretty bullish about it, and I think we're going to be hitting. So again, triple parlay, guys. We're about to make some money on all of these, okay? AMC, NIO, and Bitcoin. All right, so we're moving up. Our first one is this 38.73. Our second one is a mini swing high break, indicating a little bit more strength in the trend reversal of 39.78. Then we get to the true trend reversal at this 41.77. Then we don't have a lot of resistance, actually, guys. We really don't have that much resistance. And by then, it looks like we're going to have a shoulder, head, shoulder, very bullish. And we're just going to break through all this stuff. And we're going back to all-time highs, guys. 54.74. This is probably, if it breaks that, big time. All right. Let's move on to AMC. NIO's looking good. AMC. Okay. Now, AMC, I told you guys in the previous video not to trip, that we were still making higher lows and that we were still in an uptrend. But look what happened today, guys. We broke the bunched up EMAs. Huge, guys, huge. We needed this, okay? The RSI is coming up, the vortex is coming up, that stochastic is coming up, and it's coming up nice. Okay, let's go look at AMC. Let me just give you a little dabble do ya. Okay, now here we go. We had one of those boxes of confluence. Okay, we have that tight consolidation, and we had to get, there's our little baby right there. There's that little one. Okay, comes down, comes up, lands in the middle, and momentum. But it wicked down back into the box. I didn't like that, so I didn't want to make a video. But today we wicked up and we are closing above. So we got our green body candle close. Our big ribbons are turning. Our little 9 to 5 is already turned. What does this mean, guys? Where are we going? So the first stop that we're going to find some resistance is 42.32. I think we're going to break that, okay? Then we're going to be coming up to a new area, which is a pretty big jump to 45.72. That's a $3 jump right there, okay? Then we're on our way over to 48.32, and then we're up to $50.80, and then we're at 52.84, and from there, I mean, dude, from there we're just we're running, guys. We're running. We'll talk more about that as we get further. Now, I want to just tell you something. If you guys get in the profit or get even, like let's say you bought here at 42.38 and it gets to 42.38 and you're even, don't sell, but do put your stop, below it. And the max is 8% below. I think in this market, because we don't have total accumulation on the macros like the index, the Dow, the RUT, and the SPY, then maybe you can tighten it up to like say 6%. So just beware. That way you got capital protection, but you're still running game. Okay. Now this isn't going to go straight up. Okay, it's going to do something like this: up, down, up, down. It's gonna, it's gonna do its thing. Okay. So, but it is looking bullish to me. We do have a momentum shift, and it looks good. NEO also trend reversal looks good, and Bitcoin. Whoo! Got to get in Bitcoin. Triple parlay. Let's make some money. Wheelhouse Trading. Thank you for stopping by. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the select all. Who loves you, baby?